Hello, my name is Sean Hensler. I'm the CEO of Hensler Surgical. I just wanted to go through what we used to call in the Marine Corps a hip pocket lecture. Very brief on the COVID-19 test that we offer here at Hensler Surgical. It's the Assure test. It's made by Assure Tech, and it is FDA authorized through the EUA. It does require CLIA, which is a Clinical Laboratory Improvements Amendments. That's what it stands for. There needs to be a certificate that is applied, CMS 116. It's available online through the CMS CLIA website. This test is not CLIA waived. So it is an antibody test which tests for an immune response, IgM, IgG. It's very critical and necessary for today, for the pandemic and getting people back to work, assessing, if someone does have an immune response. It is not a definitive test. It is not diagnostic vis-a-vis the PCR testing, the antigen testing, which is testing for the virus itself. It's looking for the proteins on the virus. Ours is assessing the actual real-time antibodies that the virus gives off. So that's one big aspect in differentiation between our test and the other. But getting back to the point is the test cannot be sold, cannot be given to anyone, and it must be administered through CLIA personnel that has been trained to deal with moderate to high complexity testing. That's why with our tests we have both internal and external controls. The internal controls are built into the cassette, but the external controls is non-lyophilized anti-SARS COVID-19, both the human and animal variety, to be able to test a positive and the negative to make sure that this test is being run and is functioning as it is designed. So once again, this test is not a at-home test. It is a test that must be done by CLIA personnel, most notably by labs in various hospitals. And you can have this test done in pharmacies, health fairs, things like that, but they have to be applied. But you have to apply using getting a certificate of compliance, and you need to prove that you have CLIA personnel there. That's what mobile labs are for. And just because you have a doctor there that can read it, that's not enough. You got to have the CLIA personnel there as well. Anyway, I hope this has been informative. Please feel free to contact me through the website at www.henslersurgical.com or to my email, Sean, SEAN, at henslersurgical.com, and I will give you as much guidance as I can. Thank you, guys. Be safe.